Welcome back everyone. So this is going to be a quick demo. Before I get to that, this is my brother's truck. It's been sitting here for about a week. I actually just wiped down the hood here. You can see this car's already ceramic coated here. So it just got some light dust from sitting in the garage. And I should have actually took a video of the how much dust is on there. The side panels are not so bad because a lot of the dust sits on your flat surfaces. But you can kind of see what kind of dust is on the flat surfaces. There's not a lot of dust on the surface, but for this kind of stuff I would use either a waterless wash or a detail spray to get it off. If your car sits outside most of the time, I'd probably just go ahead and do either a rinseless wash or a traditional wash. And so for this purpose, I'm going to be trying a new product, and it's called Mystic. It's a waterless wash detail spray for Americana Global. I don't know if you guys are familiar with this company, but these guys are known for making pads. But way back before they, I forget the guy's name that sold the company, they used to do coatings. This is one of the first coatings I actually used from there, and it was an acrylic-based coating. And now they've transitioned over to products like Mystic, waterless wash and detail spray. This does not have any SiO2 in it, but it's coating compatible. I'll just let you guys read it. So it's basically a waterless wash application. So you're basically just gonna shake it, spray it on, rub it in, wipe it off. Of course, avoid hot surfaces. So we're gonna just do that. So again, this is actually has polymers in it, but it's compatible with ceramic coatings. So don't get too hung up on it. But this stuff smells good. So I'm just gonna spray the panel there. I got a edgeless. What is this, 500, whatever they were called at one point, from the rag company. So really just gonna go ahead and pick up any dirt or dust. You really don't see any on here, so I'll just go ahead and finish off the surface where I used it, and I'm actually rolling the towel every chance I get. So I'm not really putting a lot of pressure on there, so you're gonna be left with some material on here. But this wipes off easy, so just flip it over to a clean side and just dry as much as you can. So I'll take one side. Normally I have multiple towels. Right now I'm only doing, because I'm only demoing this product here. So I'll just kind of dry it off like that. Doesn't leave you a lot of product left to remove. Let me flip it over to a dry side here. So I just flipped it over to a dry side so that I can show you how easy it is to wipe off. And really it's just like that. So this will leave your paint feeling slick, and it feels good on there because this has bead lock on it, and bead lock feels good. Not like your traditional coatings on there. You can see I had some product and it kind of just missed away here. So that's all there is to using it. It does leave some protection behind. I'm not going to demo that portion because I don't think he really needs to. You kind of see there's still some product on the towel. We can test that at a later date, but I just want to kind of show you the initial use for it. And it leaves the surface glossy and slick, and that's really all that you're after in terms of keeping your car dust free while it's sitting in the garage. I think the one caveat is be careful how you use the product, because if you use it on too dirty of a surface, you are going to scratch and mar the surface. So again, take care with the way you use it, and then you're going to be left with a lot of good results here. Again, the gloss, because it's already the coating, this is really just amping up whatever's already there, and it looks real impressive on there. So again, that's Mystic for Americana Global. If you guys want to try something different, give this a shot. I forget the price. I'll just post a link where you can get it. Once in a while they do offer discount codes, so keep an eye on that. These guys make great pads as well if you're looking for long throw polisher style pads. These guys make some great pads. So thanks for watching, and stay tuned.